This morning, fallout from a monumental verdict.
This case was historic.
Friday, a jury in San Francisco found biochemical giant Monsanto liable for former school groundskeeper Dewayne Johnson's cancer. Johnson says constant use of the household product Roundup led to his diagnosis of terminal non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Doctors have given him just months to live. The jury awarding $289 million in damages.
If you know you're going to die, you might as well not die in vain. You might as well say to yourself, well, let's put this out here, what happened to me.
Johnson's lawsuit is the first of hundreds against Monsanto, alleging it knew the weed killer's link to cancer and failed to notify the public. In 2015, the World Health Organization classified the chemical glyphosate, an active ingredient in Roundup, as, quote, probably carcinogenic to humans.
A unanimous jury here in San Francisco has told Monsanto enough. You did something wrong and now you have to pay.
Attorneys for Monsanto insist their product is safe and they plan to appeal.
The verdict today does not change the science.
But for thousands of plaintiffs, many suffering with cancer, the verdict is a beacon of hope.
And that's global, so that's bigger than me, way bigger than me. So I hope that that light will be shined.
For Today, Steve Patterson, NBC News.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.